everyone, I am Ikrahan, your English teacher. The Ikrahanium Dastaso Englisi Ustaza. Nunan zamungadir mazedar class de nurazichi shuruku. This is a marker. Dayo marker de. This is a chair. Dayo kursaida. This is a class. Dayo class de. This is a door. Dayo darwaza da. No tasu dil lagi ukatu ma padi sentences ki the this kalima istimal ka. The this matlab de da. And the definition of this is this used to point out a singular person, place or thing which is near to the speaker. This the aga shakhs, the aga ze ya the aga sheta ishara kavi chikam the wayalu wala sara nizdevi. For example, this is a teacher. Dayo ustadze. This is a class. Dayo class de. This is a pen. Dayo pen de. The this matlab da shu chi munga this the yo shela para istimalau chi agashe yoi or mung sara nizdivi. No tasrajikam she nizdivi. For example, agata ruri no this is my brother. Agasta su laptop no this is my laptop. Agata su phone no this is my phone. No us munga singa kavale show chi munga da this da munga negative or question ta warwau. No radaichi uguru. No this is a teacher. The positive day. The negative bashi this is not a teacher. Or the question bashi chim is this a teacher? Positive ki munga vayu this is a teacher. Dayo ustaz de. Open negative ki vayu this is not a teacher. Munga tishbadi saran not at kau. Or question ki vayu is this a teacher? Question ki munga da is sir taraudu or da this second taraudu. Dwayam. This is a class. Dayo class de. This is not a class. Dayo class na de. Is this a class? Aya dayo class de. Number 3. This is a pen. Dayo kalam de. This is not a pen. Dayo kalam na de. Is this a pen? Aya da yo kalam de. That is a boy. Agayo alag de. That is my teacher. Agazama ustaz de. That is a phone. Agayo mobile de. That is a class. Agayo class de. Tas dalde ki uka doji ma padi sentences ke the that kalima istimal ka. The that matlab de aga. And the definition of that is used to point out a singular person, place or thing which is far from the speaker. That munta the aga shakhs, the aga ze ya the aga sheta ishara kavi chikam the wayal wala na lari. For example, that is a teacher. Agayo ustaz de. That is a class. Agayo class de. That is a pen. Agayo pen de. The di batlab da sochi that munga ala istimalau chi kam she yoi o munga lari. No us razi chi munga uguru chi da munga singa negative or question ta arawal issue. That is a teacher. Da ho positive de. Da munga negative ki vayu. That is not a teacher. Agayo ustaz na de. Opa question ke. Is that a teacher? Aga. Aya agayo ustaz de. Number 2. That is a class. Agayo class de. That is not a class. Agayo class na de. Is that a class? Aya agayo class de. That is a pen. That is a pen. Agayo kalam de. That is not a pen. Agayo kalam na de. Is that a pen? Aya agayo kalam de. Tasu push which da munga singa negative or question ta whatever issue. Masalan that positive that is a pen. The negative badasi ko chi munga de sara not lagau. That is not a pen. Or bamunga question da si ko chi da is bamunga first rauru or da ba second ta. Is that a pen? Tasu push wai padi bande. Ano ko tasu puisyawiya ino akpala kapiyan keda that la para las jumle ulikai. Manana dasi no videos la para mga like and follow kai. और दम कमाल दोस्तों la para जमुंगा YouTube चैनल द जरा सब्सक्राइब kai. हमेशा तापा इंग्लिश की सवय हमेशा तापा इंग्लिश की वाई always. For example, she always comes late to the class. अगर क्लास ता हमेशा ना वक्त राजी. या I always come to school. जा हमेशा स्कूल ता राजम. Number 2. गरीब ता पा इंग्लिश की सवय गरीब ता पा इंग्लिश की वाई poor. For example, he is a poor boy. अगर यो गरीब अलग दे. या we should help with poor people. मुंगला पकार दाजे गरीब सरा कोमा उकड़ू. Number 3. खुशालता पा इंग्लिश की सवय खुशालता पा इंग्लिश की वाई happy. For example, today I am very happy. Nanzar dera khushalayam. Yeah, they are happy. Awi khushaldi. Number 4. Zakata pa English ki sawai. Zakata pa English ki wai because. For example, she is absent today because she is sick. Aga nan ghair hazir ada zakachi aga bimar ada. Yeah, I didn't come to school yesterday because I was sick. Zaparun school ta naum ragali zakachi za bimaro. Number 5. बदलावलो ता पा इंग्लिश की सवय बदलावलो ता पा इंग्लिश की वाई change. For example, I want to change my class. Zawalam ti akhpal class badal kam. Yeah, I want to change my car. Zawalam ti akhpal car gaade badal kam. Manana dasi no videos la para munga like and follow kai.